In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off microphone access on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best results, go back to settings, go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath app permissions and select microphone. At the top where it says microphone access, just toggle this to the off position, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.